Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PyQt5 UI user interface into a Python code that you can start working with on your favorite text editor. So you just go and start up your PyQt5 designer. Then we are going to be using the dialog without button, so we'll quickly create so what we are going to be doing is a kind of a login user interface. So you can just go with our label, bring it up. I'm going to call this email. It should be an email, and increase it. Let's copy this, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, and also to change this to password. Okay, let's come back here. Alright, now we are going to use our line editor. Line editor, our input field. And just copy this and paste and align them. Alright, so we are going to be using Q push button. Let's rename it as login. Let's rename our dialog. Let's call this login underscore UI. Enter. Then let's copy this, paste here. Let's create a kind of login to, let's say login system. Let's increase the font. You can increase the font from the property editor. Instead of it, let's make it 10, or let's say 20. Bold. Then let's enlarge it and center it. I think that is all we need for this, because this tutorial is just to show you how to convert a PyQt5 UI user interface into a Python code. So what you need to do now is to let's rename our input field. I'll call this email underscore input. And we'll call this password input. Let's say pass underscore input. Let's go input. And this should be login btn. Login underscore btn. Alright, I think that is all we need now. So what we need to do is to save our file. Let's save this file. I'll save this file on my desktop. I have where I normally keep my login UI, so I'm going to be using the test aspect of it, and I'll call this login. save. Okay, and that is all for now. So if we go back to if I am to go back to my desktop and check, I will see test, and this is PyQt5 login.ui user interface that we just created. So just start your command prompt. I'm using git cmd command, that is git command. So what we just need to do is you use this code cd and go back here to, let's get a address, let's copy it, come to this pack and paste it and hit enter. Okay, now we are in. So what we just need to type now is we just want to use the code for converting, which is PyQt5 space -x, then the name of the UI, which is login dot UI, then the space key -0, and then the name we want to convert it to now. So I'm going to convert mine to login.py. So you hit enter. Now it is saying Qt untested Windows version 10.0 detected. Now if we are to go back to our folder, as the test folder, you see this is the file that has been created already. So you can open it with your text, your IDLE editor. So I'm going to open it now, and you see all we did with PyQt5 designer will appear. Okay, this is our code. So from here you can start working. Like now you can see UI underscore login underscore UI. So if we go back to our PyQt, what you see here, the dialog, this is it. What is here is what you are seeing there. So we have to step down. You see, okay, like the input, the email underscore input I added the other time, you can see this is it. This is the pass. So these attributes are attributes we can use in triggering each of the field, the input field, in order for it to process our login system and make it active. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and more tutorials that will be coming. Thank you, and love you guys all. Stay tuned for more videos.